Hi, my name is Subha Agarwal and I'm a math expert. And today we're going to go over how to make a fraction strip for fourths. So a fraction strip is just basically a piece of paper that is going to represent our fraction. So I'm going to draw what that would look like for you. It's really a good idea to have them be in different colors so it's easy for kids to visualize. So this would be the example of a fourths in fraction strips. So we have a whole segment here, divided this into each of these 4 pieces. And you can also have individual cutouts of the fourths themselves. And of course you don't want this fraction strip by itself. You often have another fraction strip there for comparison. So an example of that would be 1/2 and 1/2. In this way you can kind of line up the 1/4 pieces or put them next to each other and realize that 2/4 equal 1/2, kind of teach kids about the relationship between different fractions, that sort of thing. My name is Subha Agarwal, and thank you for taking an interest in math.